Cassidy? Cassidy, where are you?
I don't know.
Where's your head?
I can't find it either.
How come there's two of me? You think that your head multiplied into two of me?
I don't know.
That's why you don't have a head?
Wait, something's happening. Something is happening.
No.
I'm a Siamese twin now. How nice.
Oh, that's great.
But I have fingers floating in the air in front of me. What is this craziness? That's nice. My legs are getting tired. I'm gonna rip myself
Give me
apart.
some pound, dude.
I'm ripping myself apart.
Let's just go somewhere away from her.
What?
Cassidy, you just be quiet, okay? Now. How do I control this thing? Listen to me. This is my final testament. If anybody finds this, well, you're just lucky that you weren't here.
Is it over? Come, Twinnie! We must crawl to survival! Stop! Come on!
No!
No! How did you do that? I only have one leg! You disappeared! Ah! No! I disappeared!
Finally! She's gone!
Oh, one leg!
No!
That looks weird. It looks like my legs are hard.
Disappear! Arms!
Oh my!
Oh,
The
those are
static.
my-
Cuddy, look at It's okay. I made it. I may be staticky, but I'm okay.
Yeah. The first time travel. I'm tired. Keep working on it, Cody. You are so strong. You could tear down this whole building. Come over here, Cody. Talk to the fans. Okay. I just pushed it so hard it won't come back. He is so strong, he can do that. You are so hot. Thank you. Did something just happen here? It's a disorder. Do your muscles flow to your head? Because it seemed like you were really buff. Like this. And then it just popped into your head. Well, it's so that the camera never gets a full glimpse of my body normal. So that the fans don't really know what I look like. It's a good idea. Yeah. Smart. Yes. Anyways, can I go try the door? Yeah, go ahead. It won't work though. Yeah, it will. I'm so good at this door. Oh! Oh! She! Oh! 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 Keep going! Am I working? Is it working? Almost. Okay, go. Okay.
You're there.
I did it.
Okay, let go on 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's harder than it looks, folks.
Yeah.
Look at how big my butt looks.
It looks normal.
Oh, are you suggesting that I have a big butt?
No, I'm suggesting that I do.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a girl walks in,
I'm not subjecting myself to this.
He's a wimp. Chicken.
I'm a rapper.
Baby. Rappers have feelings. Okay, we're turning this video off.
Okay, goodbye to my fans. I'll see you next time. Remember, my name is Cody, the strongest man in the world.